If you're thinking about investing in Auvik, there are a few things you need to know before pulling the trigger. In this video, we'll break down 7 key points you should consider before committing to this network management software, especially in comparison to some of its competitors. Stick around until the end, and we'll give you a bonus tip that could save you time and money. First off, Auvik excels in network monitoring, but how does it compare to other tools like SolarWinds or PRTG? Auvik's real-time network visibility is one of its standout features. With Auvik, you get automatic network discovery and mapping, which means you can see your entire network infrastructure in seconds. This can save you hours compared to other tools where manual configuration is often necessary. It's incredibly helpful for larger networks with multiple devices, ensuring that everything stays connected and optimized. Next thing to know is Auvik's ease of use. While some network management software can feel overwhelming with complex configurations and steep learning curves, Auvik keeps things simple. Its interface is intuitive, allowing you to set up monitoring quickly without needing deep technical knowledge. For businesses that are trying to get up and running fast, this user-friendly design is a huge plus, especially when compared to the more complex interfaces of competitors. The third thing to note is Auvik's scalability. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise network, Auvik can scale with you. It allows you to monitor both on-premise and cloud networks effortlessly, which is something that tools like PRTG might struggle with in terms of integration across different environments. So if you're expecting to grow or expand your infrastructure, Auvik can handle it. Now, the fourth thing is Auvik's automation features. Automation is key to reducing downtime and maintaining efficiency in your network. Auvik provides customizable alerts, automated responses to network issues, and even the ability to schedule certain tasks. For businesses that don't want to spend hours managing their network, Auvik's automation can make a huge difference. The fifth thing to consider is the cost. Auvik operates on a subscription model, but depending on your company's needs, it can be more affordable than some alternatives. For example, tools like SolarWinds may seem cheaper at first, but when you factor in additional add-ons, licensing, and the complexity of managing those tools, Auvik might offer better value for your money. Auvik provides clear pricing and doesn't hide costs in complicated packages, making it more transparent for businesses looking to budget. The sixth thing is its customer support. Auvik stands out with its responsive and knowledgeable support team. Unlike some competitors where support can be slow or difficult to navigate, Auvik's team is known for being quick to resolve issues. If you're new to network management, having reliable support can save you a lot of stress, and Auvik delivers in that department. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Auvik works seamlessly with a wide range of third-party tools, including firewalls, routers, and even ticketing systems. This flexibility means you're not locked into using just one vendor's ecosystem, which can be a problem with other network management tools. For instance, SolarWinds offers integrations, but can have limitations when it comes to certain devices and third-party apps. If you want to try Auvik for yourself, click the first link in the description below to get the best free trial, along with some exclusive benefits. Whether you're looking for a simple, scalable solution or something with powerful automation and support, Auvik has you covered.